Mark Rothwell, how are you?
I'm not too bad, Emer. How are you?
Good. You empathise with the plight of the farmers.
Oh, absolutely.
Are you a farmer yourself?
I farm myself, yes, so I'm well aware of the hardships that are going on at the minute, yeah.
What kind of a farmer are you now?
Suckler, I suppose, would be my main. We rear a few calves as well and bring them up to beef, but we'd be small scale towards a lot of the other guys, you know.
Has it been tough trying to keep them fed and not being able to put them out?
Yeah, I think that whatever about feed, we're up around Castlecomer. To be a late enough area, so April wouldn't be overly late for us. It's just the fact that so we normally have feed enough to keep us going till that time. Its ground conditions are so bad that there's not a hope of getting cattle out for another week or two at least.
Yeah, it's been brutal, all right. And are you concerned about what might be coming down the tracks, we'd say, next week or the week after? Are you watching the weather very, very closely?
Yeah, you're watching. Normally, you'd expect this time of the year. I mean, most of us expect to have cattle out mid of March. Definitely early April of our way, and you'd have your kind of manure spread for silage cuts where you get your silage in by the end of May. Early June is the latest. But all the calendars are thrown out of sync now because of this. And the knock-on is probably going to be a lot bigger than people realised, you know. I
think you're about to move very fast, I'd say. Mark, we want to play your song. You penned a song about the fodder crisis. Fair play to you.
We did, yeah.
You were quick off the mark.
Yeah, well, I mean, in fairness, everything can be very down, and there's no point in looking at things through the one-colour glasses all the time. So we kind of took a different view on it, decided to lighten the humour a bit, and we wrote something that we think is funny. So we got a bit of a kick out of it.
And who did you write it with, Mark?
Barry Byrne and myself. We have a small two-piece band in the Castlecomer area there called Not Down and Out. So
have you played the song for anyone locally yet?
We played it in the Valls and we played it in Dillon's there, and it's been up on Facebook there now for a week. We put it up on Facebook last week, and the response has been huge to it, yeah.
Brilliant. Well, we're going to give it a play now. We're looking forward to it, and perfect. We might catch up with you when things improve a little with the weather. You might pen a song for us over the summer, maybe. We'll think of something else for you.
Yeah, well, if we get a good one, we'll talk about t-shirts and shorts and stuff like that, yeah, it'll be better
and ice creams.
Ice cream, there you go. And girls wearing very little clothing, that's what you want.
Right, and men doing the same, out cutting the grass.
Yes, in their own. You're into.
All right, whatever you're into. Something for everyone. Thanks, Mark. We'll give it a play.
No bother, Emer. Thanks very much.
Oh, I bought some bells on Monday and Tuesday another for you. On Wednesday gave them beef pulp, on Thursday ration too. On Friday I did the lotto and the rain turned into hail, 'cause I'll need about £1 million to pay for all the bail. Oh, the weather's feckin' brutal and I cannot sleep of late. The rain, it just keeps falling and the ground is in a state. I've no grass for the milking cows, no fodder for the bull. Me silage pits are empty and the stash of tanks are full. So I bought some bales on Monday and Tuesday another for you. On Wednesday gave them beef pulp, on Thursday ration too. On Friday I did the lotto as the rain turned into hail, 'cause I'll need about £1 million to pay for all the bills. I was on the phone to Chuggis, they're busy every day. Since Michael Creed announced that Fine Gael imported hay, she said you're lucky you got through today or the deadline you'd have missed. But because you've only 90 cows, you're bottom of the list. So I bought some bales on Monday and Tuesday another for you. On Wednesday gave them beef pulp, on Thursday ration too. On Friday I did the lotto as the rain turned into hail, 'cause I'll need about £1 million to pay for all the bills. Sure, the cattle should be out by now, manure should be spread. I look out every morning and I want to stay in bed. The IFA's Joe Healy, Lord, he hasn't got a clue. He said, read the Farmer's Journal, it'll tell you what to do. So I bought some bales on Monday and Tuesday another for you. On Wednesday gave them beef pulp, on Thursday ration too. On Friday I did the lotto as the rain turned into hail, 'cause I'll need about £1 million to pay for all the bills. Oh, now I'm stressed up to me eyeballs, there's very little hope. I've been to Mass 6 times this week and written to the Pope. The margins will be tight this year in dairy and in beef, and if things get any worse I may go up for the farm relief. So I bought some bales on Monday and Tuesday another for you. On Wednesday gave them beef pulp, on Thursday ration too. On Friday I did the lotto as the rain turned into hail, 'cause 'cause I'll need about £1,000,000 to pay for all the bales. So I bought some bales on Monday and Tuesday then a few. On Wednesday gave 'em beat pulp, on Thursday ration too. On Friday I did the lotto, the rain turned into hail, 'cause I'll need about £1,000,000 to pay for all the bales. Oh, Holy Mother of God, oh where did me silage go? A diddly idle, diddly idle, diddly idle do. A diddly idle, diddly idle, diddly idle do.
Mark Rothwell in Castlecomer, we like that one. Yes, when you get the women around the office swinging like that. We enjoyed it. Thanks a million. This is a different kind of...